Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to talk about Linktree. Linktree is currently very much popular on social media, popular because a lot of influencers use it. Linktree is going to help you house a lot of links with a single link, something like that. That's the notion. So on platforms like TikTok and Instagram, you can upload a lot of links just like you can do on Facebook. So in this case, you need a single link. But then let's say you're a musician and you need to direct people to your Spotify page. You need to direct them to your YouTube music, your Boom Play or other pages. You need to have a single link that is going to house all these links at once. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So you can see on my screen, you can see this is a sample, there's a sample, there's a sample. I'm going to show you guys how to create some for free. It has a paid version, but I'm going to show you guys the free version and also how to create this and also share your links. So now let's get going with the tutorial. So all you need to do is just hop on your browser like this. If you're using a mobile phone, you can do this, search this Linktree, and then you just tap on the first link here and then you create your account like this. So you just need to create your account by entering your email and your preferred password, simple as that. You go on here, you just need to select a template you want to use. So you can see everybody's Linktree kind of looks similar or different. So let me show you guys something. Okay, so let's choose this. I think I like this. Let's scroll up a bit. Let's scroll up a bit here. I think I like this. This looks nice. So let me tap on this. Now let me start with this template. So that's it. So which platform am I going to use it for? So I'm going to use it for IG. So let me select IG and then let me proceed. And then I need to add my what do we call it? My username. No, I think I might see it. Is it like this? And now I need to add my, what do you call it? My links. So let's see my website. So I should have prepared for all this. Let me use any Indian Times. Let me use Indian Times. I should have prepared for all this. So now let me copy the URL and let me come here and let me paste it. So you just need to paste all these URLs. You just need to paste all of them. Let me just choose this. Let me just choose only one. And now let me tap on continue to proceed. Good. So it's finding your content. So you just need to wait for some time. I don't even know if my username was correct, but then let's wait to see the outcome. So now they're updating my Linktree. So just like you can see, this is the sample of it, how it's going to look like. So yeah, so you can see this is my IG and this is my Indian time. So let's say I was a musician, I can add my Spotify, my blah 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 on here. So I think if you are on a free version, you have a limited access to the number of links you can add. That's the con side about using the free version. So now let's continue building. Let me continue and then let me close this. I'm not going to start any free trial. So good. So my Linktree URL is here. So I just copy it and then I go to my IG profile. I think you can do that. You go to your bio and then you go and paste the link there. So let me paste the link here for you guys to see. MIC Tafari. So let's say someone hopped on my IG and then they clicked on my link. So this is how it's going to look like. On a mobile phone, it's going to look small. On a PC, it's going to look this big. So this is it. Very, very simple and easy. You can add your picture and everything. So I didn't do that. So to do that, you just need to come on here and you edit your profile. You get it? Add an image. Let me show you guys. Let me upload it. Oh, I think okay. Let me use this image. Let me upload it. Good. So I think I have my image there. If you want to add other stuff, you can add other stuff by clicking here. So so it has been updated automatically. I thought I had to refresh the page. Let me Ctrl+R to refresh that page. So I can get the copy. I don't think the link will even be changed. So now let me come here and then let me reload it. Let me repaste it and let me reload it to see something. Good, and then my image is showing. So that's it on how you can create a Linktree and then use it on your social media platforms like TikTok and the rest. Very, very simple and easy. So if you have any question about this, try to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to do all to answer you. And also, if you are new here, try to give me a like and